Avinash, my question's for you. You played such diverse characters on screen और देखा हमने कि जो मेहनत आप करते हैं हर कैरेक्टर के लिए to stand out on screen when you're performing, इस रोल में ढलने के लिए mentally काफी preparation लगी होगी इसके लिए. Did you go with the flow or did you prepare a lot? What was the process like?
No, this one especially I felt was more go with the flow. This is the first time I was working with Neeraj sir where he was directing it, and this was something I was really looking forward to get a chance to be on set with him. I think of the limited experience that I have being an actor, I have never met a director who is so quick to take decisions. He's someone who just, he's just on the go. You walk onto set, and by the time you say good morning, good morning, ये shot ये, it's that. And associate को बोलेंगे कि call, pack up, जब तक हम मुड़ के देखते हैं सर गाड़ी में बैठकर निकल चुके हैं. That's how Neeraj sir is. So when you're on set, you're continuously working. That's a frame of mind. It's a very focused set, and hence for me this one was something just went on with the flow because he just kept giving the insights into how I take this. Also, the beauty is, and you'll see that in the film, there are a lot of long, steady one-shots in the film, which makes the whole process very different because you do long shots. If there is any mistake, you do a retake again, and then you keep going on long again and again. I just felt going with the flow was the perfect way to deal with this film, and I hope once it comes on 29th, people enjoy it.
And it's evident in the trailer that we've seen, so wishing you the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Manna, I was really happy that trailer दो बार play हुआ, believe me or not, because I was looking for that glamorous Tamanna that we always used to, and then when I met you, I was like, okay, looking like a diva, but it's a surprise for us in a complete de-glam avatar that we've seen you in the trailer, and we'll be seeing you in the film as well. So was it a challenge for you?
Actually, good afternoon, everybody. It's been a while. I've always played different kind of characters, and I think I mostly did them in the in the South Indian films, and I didn't get an opportunity to do it in Hindi films. But when Neeraj sir called me for this, I was wondering, normally तो मुझ पे दिल चुराने का आरोप होता है, but इस बार मुझ पे हीरे चुराने का आरोप लगा है. So I was like, मेरी मूल रीति कह रही है कि ये वाली पिक्चर तो करनी चाहिए. तो उसके बाद मुलाकात हुई अविनाश से, जो कि कह रहे हैं कि बहुत ही उन्होंने ऑफ कोर्स उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत ही मेहनती एक्टर हैं, बट मुझे उनके साथ काम करके लगा कि वो बहुत ही एफर्टलेस एक्टर हैं. इनफैक्ट जब कभी कभार मैं एक सीन में उनके साथ होती हूँ तो मुझे इनफैक्ट रियलाइज़ नहीं होता कि वो अपने डायलॉग्स बोल रहे हैं, एंड बहुत इंटरनलाइज करते हैं, बहुत खूबसूरती से परफॉर्म करते हैं. एंड आई हैड व्हाटएवर स्क्रीन स्पेस आई हैड विद Jimmy, I think he's magnetic actually on screen, and I love watching how he can just intimidate without really doing much. So that was fun to watch as an actor. And I have to say, Neeraj sir, आपकी जो फिल्में हैं, आपने जो भी स्टोरी चूज की है, आपने उसको कहने का तरीका इतना इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है. एज एन ऑडियंस हम बहुत बड़े फैन हैं आपके, and we are very thankful, and I'm thankful for making me a part of your film. ये जो कहते रहते हैं कि जो एक इनका लंबा एक वन शॉट वाला होता है, ये मैंने इनकी काफ़ी सारी फिल्मों में देखा है, बट उसे एक्सपीरियंस करना एक एक्टर के तौर पे मेरे लिए बहुत ही मज़ेदार था. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. एंड रुचिका, मैं बैक स्टेज थी और मैं आपकी बातें सुन रही थी. आप just validating that you liked what I did means a lot to me. It's very sweet of you. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब जिससे मैं बहुत I look up to Neeraj sir, and the fact that he thought of me for this character, it feels great. And राजीव sir और मेरी काफ़ी बनी वैसे हमारे शूटिंग के दौरान. I don't know.
बात है, वो शाम के 7 बजे हमें कहीं ले जाना चाहते थे, अभी तक लेके
हम गए नहीं.
ये सारे आरोपी एक साथ हैं.
We are hoping आपके प्रमोशन के दौरान थोड़ी मुलाकात हो जाएगी.
New Indian Express here, Jimmy on your left. My question is to you, Jimmy. You've worked, as you said, you've worked with Neeraj for multiple projects in the past, right from Wednesday to now. How would you exactly describe your working relationship with him in all the films that you've worked?
I think आप एक फिल्म करते हो एक डायरेक्टर के साथ, तो आप उसको जब तक वो ख़त्म होती है आप उसको समझना शुरू करते हो, दूसरी फिल्म से फिर जो है वो समझ में आने लगता है, और आई थिंक तीसरी चौथी के आसपास ऐसा हो जाता है कि आपको बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली समझ जाता है, या एक्टर हो या जो भी हो. सो व्हेन he is today, when he gives a script to read, I understand exactly in my head how he's going to shoot it, what this scene is going to be like. So I think that is the fun of it when you worked with somebody over a few films. I think wahan pe fark definitely padta hai.
Last question.
Yes, thank you for doing that on my behalf. Thank you.
Hi, Disha Jasoria from Filmy Gyan. Instincts की बहुत बात चल रही है. Tammy and Avinash, a question for you. Personal life में are you guys very instinctive? Friendship हो गई, प्यार हो गया, क्या आप instinct पे बहुत जाते हैं, या is it very practical for you guys?
So I ever believe that instincts get shaped up by your conditioning, your understanding and exposure of life, your own opinions, your own. So I think eventually in life you're instinctive, but it comes from your own exploration of life, your own ideas, your own opinions. मेरे लिए कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है, but in life generally if you ask me, it's my instincts that take over, but there is some thought to it, I would like to believe.
Tamanna?
I'm extremely instinctive. Like my entire being works on instinct. Sorry, that's मूल वृत्ति. मूल वृत्ति. I think मूल वृत्ति के बिना शायद ही मैं I think मैंने अपने लाइफ के सारे सबसे बड़े decisions अपने मूल वृत्ति से ही लिए हैं, और आज भी ऐसे ही लेती हूँ. And I feel like that's दिमाग आपको क्वेश्चन कराता है, लेकिन अब जब मन में आपको आपका मूल वृत्ति आपको एक अजीब किस्म का क्लैरिटी देता है, लेकिन अगर आप अपने दिमाग से वो सवाल जवाब करने बैठ जाओगे तो वो आपको यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह ले जाएगा. लेकिन मूल वृत्ति नॉर्मली एक ही बात बोलती है, 2-3 बातें नहीं बोलती. तो that's nicer to trust something that says one thing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to all of